I ran the Unetwork app on my device for 6 months, and today I'm showing you the exact dollar amount that hit my wallet. Judge for yourself if Unetwork is a legitimate income goldmine or if it's just wasting your battery and internet bandwidth for pennies. If you're starting today, here is what you can realistically make. Quick heads up, I am not a financial advisor. The earnings shown in this video reflect my personal experience and information gained from other licensed operators. This is not a guarantee of future income, so always do your own research before downloading software or investing money. First off, let's see how much I've earned in passive income for one device. Since I've installed the app in December 2025, I've earned 53 USD. This is an average of $7.90 a month in passive earnings. All I had to do is run the app in the background and my phone did the work for me. Note that the app came out in December 2025 and the Unetwork had to fix some glitches in the early days. For the first month, my earnings were significantly less, around 10 cents per day. I did the math, and in the last 30 days, I made $7.74. The month before that, $9.81. I generally have over 90% uptime. Uptime refers to the average time you are connected to the internet and are running the app. Having above 90% uptime significantly affects your earnings. I've heard from operators with lower uptimes are barely getting pennies. Note that you can have a fluctuation of daily earnings despite having the same daily uptime. I usually get between 20 and 35 cents per day, but I've seen as low as a fraction of a penny to up to 60 cents. Why is that, you might ask? It's because there is a difference in passive task volume. Not each day has the same number of tasks necessary for your phone to complete. License split. The license split determines how much of the income goes to you versus your node operator who owns your license. I have a 100% license split as I own my own license. You can check your license split details in the license tab. Location. I have traveled in 6 countries since installing this app and have not noticed a significant difference in passive earning based on my location. For the active tasks, I've not earned anything as I've been traveling. Here is what I've learned from the community. Right now, there are 3 available tasks you can opt in on: SMS testing, caller ID testing, Scout and Runner. The SMS testing is a unicorn task not many have received, so I'll focus on the caller ID testing. Caller ID testing requires you to submit a phone number from a received testing call. And no, you do not need to pick up the call. Each call should earn you between 5 cents to $2. The community reported that the majority of calls make between 5 to 20 cents. Here's the catch. The volume of tasks you receive highly depend on your uptime, location, and SIM carrier. This is because the tasks are commissioned by your telecom carrier. Many require a high uptime and want to check specific locations. For example, operators in Africa are getting a lot more caller ID tasks than operators in North America. Some reporting not getting any at all. If you do get some, it's usually 1 per day, rarely 2. With 1 call per day, that is roughly $1.50 to $6 per month. The Scout and Runner task is currently not available as we're transitioning from Phase 2 to Phase 3. For Phase 2, operators submitting an international SIM plan earned $5 per approved plan. Alpha users for the Runner task reported earning up to $16 per hour. So I'm looking forward to seeing the actual numbers once the task becomes available for the general community. All in all, can you actually earn $50 a month with Unetwork? I'd say it depends on various factors. I make $7 to $10 of passive income per month from one phone. But who doesn't have an old phone lying around somewhere? Or you can install the app on your family members' phones and pull the earnings into one account. Note, there seems to be a diminishing return for more than 5 phones on one IP address. In any case, as more telecom companies get onboarded and more future tasks get released, reaching the $50 threshold should become easier. Remember, here are the major levers that impact earnings. Uptime. Keep it above 90% if possible. License split. Get a license with a favorable rate. Location and SIM carrier. Nothing much you can do about this one. Or petition your carrier to test their networks using Unetwork. Device count. Install the app on old smartphones. Active tasks. Opt in to earn more. What do you think? Is the app worth installing? If you already have the app, Please let us know in the comments how much you're making. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And as always, happy earning!